Okay, Chloe. What color is the water this time?
Blue.
Yeah. And what did we do? What did we do different this time?
This, I don't know.
Yeah. What's this called? What's this stuff?
Oil.
Oil. Yeah. And the oil, is it sitting on the top of the water? Is it floating?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oil floats, doesn't it? Say oil floats.
Oil
Okay. So you're gonna take this and pour it in, right? So go back to your chair. Okay. Let's see what happens. It floats, but not quite as much, eh? Because the oil is keeping it down. The oil says, because the oil floats on top, so it's keeping the fuzzes from boiling over. The oil is keeping the bubbles down.
What do you need to do now?
You want a different one again?
Yeah, this is one.
Say, wow, that was cool.
Wow, that was two!